That's Waterfall.
So the wall was the one.
To the left of the other.
Yeah, that had all the rocks.
Isn't that the one you said you almost felt like dying on?
The
I
wall.
think that might have been
The wall?
That's The waterfall. I don't even know what this is.
It's a lot of shale, like loose shale, and then like a riverbed full of shale. That was the one where you just plowed through, and I thought you were gonna die, and I thought I was gonna die.
Jesus Christ!
I didn't have any brakes. I just couldn't brake.
You guys trying to kill me today or what?
The wall's walkable though, if like really.
I have the problem of not stopping when I should.
But like
I try to commit.
But any new trail, you should be pretty much
100% laid off.
Like on your brakes and whatever, right? Unless you can sort of predict how it's going to be. But any run that you've never done before, you should be ready to pretty much walk it. Or take your time. Like today, if we were going to do
yeah.
We're just going to ride through it like
I was going to roll most of it.
Oh.
I wasn't going to I would only take a jump that I knew he was at, and I was just going to like go slow on the other one.
Oh.
I don't have that much faith in
Do a
myself.
Superman.
Okay. I thought you guys were just flying off each jump.
No
Like,
way. And you can roll them. Like people roll them. I rolled them for months.
Like jumps I just do is like on the trails where like, you know, it's like a little bump or whatever. Then I'll fucking try to gain a bit of building of like my trust and skill, but I don't remember this.
Is that just like a Trek convention?
I think we should just give it a try.
What, this one? Oh, I'm good for that, yeah.
I don't know, I can't remember it.
It's fun.
I want to see him walking down there.
No.
You want to go? You want to try? Try your brakes.
Yeah, I'm gonna go slow on.
If you see something, I'll go. Riley's always fast, so you can go in front, and then just watch me. And if it's like, you'll see how. Well, actually, don't watch me because you're supposed to watch slightly ahead, but not me.
But you're a good indicator of how to take it, though.
Yeah, but I don't want him to watch me and then.
Oh yeah.
You know, like
smash into the rock.
What I'm saying is, if I fly off.
Lots of rocks here.
Yeah.
Drops.
I can't remember.
Just rock.
Little drops.
But it probably has a stream or something since it is called the waterfall.
Okay.
Yeah, it used to be a real riverbed you could ride through.
Oh yeah?
They dried up. Global warming.
I'll just go slow on.
Yeah.
Is it just technical, I guess?
Yeah. Honestly, I wouldn't.
Take your time. There's no rush.
Gotta capture the moment.
GoPro. Alright, waterfall, double diamond. Jesus Christ.
Yeah, so like something like this, if I see it.
What the fuck? Oh, I didn't realize there's gonna be a hill like this. No, I just skid down the whole thing.
Yeah, you too. That's all you gotta do.
I skid past that first part, like a little bit where you were.
Yeah.
And then I just skid down the whole thing.
Fun.
I don't want you behind me on this one. You'll kill me.
feel adrenaline.
Yeah. That wall will get you so going.
Oh, waterfall.
I think if you can handle this, you can handle the wall. To be honest.
Yeah, yeah. It's just rocks and ground.
Like I said, I hit my first. It's not double diamond, just single.
That's double.
Oh, like I said, I hit my first double.
There you go. That's it. Are you doing Strava?
No, fuck. The battery is almost dead.
Put the Strava on. You put the Strava on?
I don't have reception out here. Wind mobile.
Oh yeah. Fuck yourself.
Fuck, I should have started at the top. Oh, I just started now.
I think I'll put Strava on the wall because I know I'm not getting any records here.
Oh, I got video. I don't need Strava. I got it on video.
That's beautiful.
Just have a lawn chair right there.
It's my thing.
Get
My,
right over there. No one...
It's my GoPro recording. See?
30,
Yeah, it
39,
is.
40.
Sweet.